When a Kenmore fridge fails to produce ice, there are several potential causes. The issues can stem from water supply problems, incorrect temperature settings, or the ice maker being turned off. To address these problems, first check the water supply by inspecting the water filter for clogs and replacing it if necessary, as it is recommended to replace the filter every 6 months. Next, ensure the water shutoff valve is fully open, allowing water to flow into the fridge, and confirm that the water supply line has no kinks or blockages. If a blockage is found, it can be thawed using a hairdryer. If the issue persists, reset the temperature setting, as a warm fridge will not produce ice. The freezer temperature should be set between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, verify that the ice maker is turned on. As this is a straightforward solution, locate the switch or on/off button on the ice maker and flip it on. Then ensure the control panel indicates that the ice maker is active. Finally, confirm that the free arm can move freely. By following these steps, it is possible to resolve the issue of a Kenmore fridge not making ice.